So, welcome everybody. My name is Trish Pellin, and I am talking with Pamm Millage here today about the Australian Hypnosis Conference. She is coming over from New Zealand for it. And Pam is talking about busting your karma. You got to tell me more, Dal, because I'm like, okay, how do I do this? What are you going to be talking about? Hit me.
Okay, I have a formula which I use in my practice. It's based on energy, of course, with hypnotherapy, and it's comes from my time with my cosmetician times. I
Hmm.
always remember the formula: cleanse, tone, nourish, and protect, right?
Yes.
Every workshop I've been doing recently has been around protection because a lot of people do not know what energies are influencing them.
Hmm.
And that goes for our clients and ourselves. But this time I'm looking at the nourishment of once you've busted that core fear matrix in
Hmm.
yourself and in your clients, and you've taught them how to protect themselves from the other influences, the nourishment is really around what influences you positively and
Yeah.
how you can find your particular uniqueness
Hmm.
and integrate others' uniqueness, because we are all created under a light form and many
Absolutely.
different colors and sounds.
Hmm.
And the colors of the lights that everyone is usually quite strong in one area or two or three,
Hmm.
but there are others that need to be integrated. And without that integration, we can't bust our karma. And
And
we,
that's it. And there's a lot
sorry,
of people that forget to nourish themselves. Like they go through a process and they think, okay, once I get to the end of the process, that's it. And it's like, no, you've still got to water the plant after you've planted it, you know?
absolutely. And it goes on all levels because you've got your physical, you're
Mhm.
nourishing your skin with moisturizer, and you're protecting it with your sunblock, and you're
My crystal.
nourishing yourself with food. So, it's just an extension of the physical.
Yes.
We cleanse our houses, and we nourish that with polish, and you know,
And
um,
we do.
so we need to do that with our soul. So
Mm.
this is part of my regime. I call my whole series of workshops the beauty therapy for the soul.
Yeah.
So this is the part that hasn't been addressed too much before, because we're evolving and coming to an understanding what other positive influences. I've
Mm.
focused on the negative influences for so many years,
Yeah.
and now I'm looking at the positive influences that we can integrate and synthesize within ourselves to create the best self. It's like the idealism, the ideal you, the uniqueness of your personality,
Yeah.
but the idealness of who you really are,
Mm.
and what a creator you are, and how wonderful you are. And when we bring that to our hypnotherapy practice, we're also transferring that energy, because we're allness, the everything, the oneness. We're transferring that beautiful, beautiful energy to our clients, and we're creating healing very much more quickly. And we are, the role model, really.
And even as therapists, we need to nourish ourselves as well because, like, hey, I admit I've been to therapy and some even hypnotherapists. I went to one gentleman, oh, probably about 10 years ago now, and I was just like, oh, you've lost your sparkle. Like, I really wanted to have an amazing experience with your energy and my energy. And I kind of walked out going, oh, well, I know I've got change, but there was no like, ooh,
Passion.
yeah, yeah, that's what was missing. I was just like, he kind of was just like very, just, had the notebook, yeah, yeah, blah, 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 close your eyes. And I'm like, where's the energy? Like, where's the oomph as such? So yeah, I
You can
totally get it.
Sorry, you've been practicing for so long. I've been practicing for a long time. I mean, I was an energy healer when I was a child,
Hmm.
but I didn't know it.
Mm,
Now I know it. And the whole, I mean, that's all we are, is energy. And
yeah.
we're either a light energy or a dark energy. And we've got all sorts of different colors and tones and sacred geometry and all sorts of interesting little things. But for this instance, we're looking at what it is that we can recognize in ourselves, that we can actually integrate. And it's about modeling. You can look at somebody who's got those practices that you haven't.
Yeah, I love it.
See that with when we learn about that in NLP, but it's just another aspect of who we are.
Well, I'll be there with all the other attendees, busting my karma with you. I'm not quite sure how we do it yet, guys. So, maybe she'll get us doing a jiggle or, just getting rid of the negative energies. But either way, we'll be busting karma with Pamm Millage at the AHC. So it's going to be awesome. I can't wait to catch up with you, darling.
I can't wait to catch up with you. Well, it's lovely to catch up and see you because, you have a special place in my heart and you do so much beautiful work with people that, I just feel you're good.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank God. Yeah.
So thank you, everybody, for joining in on this video, and we will catch you at the Australian Hypnosis Conference in November 2023. See you, everybody.
Bye. Looking forward to it. Bye.